All right, good day, folks. Today we're going to take a look at the euro currency. In particular, we're going to look at the December euro currency. That's going to be the focus, as that is the front month for currency futures. And we're looking at a very important pattern here on the Euro FX, or the 6E, and that is the head and shoulders top pattern. You see what should be a pretty clear pattern here, where we've got a left shoulder, a neckline, a head, neckline, and then a right shoulder. And those that are familiar with technical analysis know that the head and shoulders top pattern suggests that we could be heading to the downside with an accuracy rate of about 75 to 80% on average. We also have an embedded 1, 2, 3 top pattern here at a critical price structure level at resistance here in between the 118 and 119 area. This pattern is suggesting that we have a potential 250 point move ahead to the downside. How do we calculate that? We simply measure from the head down to the neck, or from the 1 to the low of the 2 as such. So that's projecting a move from roughly 120 down to 117.50. It's about 250 points. And that takes us down to this 115 area. Why do we like this area? Well, notice that that's going to take us right down to test this last major swing high that was set during the March Corona news rally. So it's going to take us right here into that area. If we go and look at a weekly chart as well, you can see that very clearly we're almost kind of resting on a cliff. We've got the market is getting tired at these levels. We've got very clear support here at this 117.50 area. So when we break, which is what it appears we're about to do, we're looking for first targets down to the 115 to 115.5 area, and then potentially down here into the 114 area. Looking at this from a seasonal perspective, we can see that right here on 9/21 to 9/22, from a 5, 15, and 20-year historical price perspective, that seasonally the historical price average has tended to trade to the downside. We also ran a scan on our Smart Market Futures scanner, which further confirms a seasonal bearish trade heading into mid-October with about a 90% win rate. You see the year-by-year breakdown on this table. So a very consistent trade around the corner based on years of historical data coupled with a very high probability technical pattern. So we will be setting price alerts here at the 117.50 area, looking for breaks of the neckline or breaks of the number 2 low, looking for a retest confirmation that it will hold, and then we will jump on board by selling short the euro currency, by selling either the outrights, buying puts or put spreads, or selling out of the money call spreads. ETF traders can take advantage of this, trading FXE, and Forex traders can trade the Euro-US pair in the foreign exchange market. So that's what we're looking at for this week. If you have any questions or comments, reach out to us to support at Seasonal Swing Trader. Good luck, good trading, and we'll see you on the next update.